This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of TSSM Exam 2 4F, which is a complex number question. So we're working with z to the power of 3 equals minus 64i. We're told one solution in A. We've got to find the other solutions and graph them, and here are my three solutions. And we're also told that z squared equals the same answer to find the two square roots. Then we're going to use that information to be able to find a sixth root of z to the 6. Okay, so I'm using these two. So I've really got, I've got z to the 1/2 is going to be equaling these. And I've got z to the 1/3, which is going to be equal one of those previous ones. So if I said that z equaled minus 64i, I'm looking for z to the 1/6 to give me a sixth root. And I'm going to treat those as being okay. So if I did z to the 1/2 divided by z to the 1/3, that's going to be z to the 1/2 minus 1/3, which is z to the 3 minus 2 on 6, which is z to the 6. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that fraction. So, by z to the 1/2 is equal to, doesn't matter which one I'll pick the one with the smaller angle, 8 is minus pi on 4, and z to the 1/3 is going to equal 4 is pi on 2. Therefore, that's going to be 8 divided by 4, which of minus pi on 4 minus pi on 2, which is 2 of minus 3 pi on 4, which is one answer. The other answer is, well, there's 6 answers. So this is one of the 6 answers that I could come up with. This one here happens to be 2 of minus 3 pi on 4. And that will be 2 cos of minus 3 pi on 4 plus 2i sine of minus 3 pi on 4, which is going to be 2 lots of all stations to Collingwood minus root 2 on 2 plus 2i minus root 2 on 2, which gives me an answer of minus root 2 minus root 2i. That's one solution. I would find the other 5 solutions if I was going to look for another one, and had I picked different answers for the previous 2, then they would be minus 3 pi on 4 plus or minus 2 pi on 6, which is pi on 3, to find other solutions. But that is one, and the question only asked for 1.